I just got out of the pool. We had a lazy morning of the gym. Then we swam for a bit and floated around. It's so hot here. So I thought I would take you along as I do my hair and show you what that's like. This is a little bit of the before. I just went in the pool. I didn't get my whole head wet. It's sort of wet to here. And then this is just left over from where I had my hair yesterday. And I'm just gonna wash it and then we're gonna dry it together. I just finished washing my hair. I use this microfiber towel so that it takes out any of the moisture. And then I'm just gonna brush it out with this. I think this is a, what's it, Tangle Teaser. And you can see that my hair is pretty curly. And that will help since I'm gonna do my hair straight. And then I found this little spot here, and when I dried my face, it started bleeding. So I don't know what it is. It's not a pimple. It's maybe I scratched it. I don't know. So hopefully it isn't something worse. So, but I got this great box from L'Occitane, and so I wanted to try out the product. So this is a anti-frizz serum. And it says to put it on wet or damp, well, damp or dry hair. So I thought I would give it a try and see how it goes. And it's really cool. They gave us one of these in the box. Sorry, my hair right here. And I love using this in the shower because this is so good to get any product buildup off your scalp, and also it massages it. It helps with hair growth, and it's so good for your scalp. I mean, you get out of the shower feeling so refreshed when you use this. So I will link these in the description below, and let's give this a try. I'm gonna probably need a lot more than I think, but I'm gonna try this amount and put it through my hair. Ooh, it smells really nice. Wow. It smells so good. So let's just brush that through and get that through my hair. And I can see my hair is pretty damp still. But I can feel it. Oh, it feels nice. And it's definitely smells really nice. I started reading about this product, and it's a 3-in-1 serum called Anti-Frizz Serum from L'Occitane, and it tames the frizz up to 24 hours, which is pretty cool. And it's a heat protectant up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, or what is that, 200 degrees Celsius. And then it smooths and gives a very nice silky hair. So I'm really excited to try it. I just put it in my hair like you saw. I just wanted to make sure I read more about it so that I can tell you what it does. And let's see how it works. Okay, so I have been obsessed with my Shark Flexstyle. And let me just get that out and I'll show it to you. It comes with all this stuff. But it looks like this. And you can twist it down to do as a hairdryer so that you can use it like that, or you use this little tab right here and it switches up, and then you can use different attachments. This is like for straight, this is for curly, and this is actually really cool. Let me show you this. It has this piece here, and you push it and the little fingers go up. You see that? And down and down. It's pretty cool. And this has been great for when I want to wear my hair curly and I want to dry it. And then it has these curling ones, one for the left and one for the right. And it comes with this bag, which is awesome. So you put everything in there. And then I got 3 other attachments. One is this smoother. This, I guess, is for anti-frizz, this one. And then like when you want to dry it with a hairbrush and pull it straight. So let's get started. I do have these good little clips that I like to put in my hair, and I'll link those as well. But it's so great because everything is just right in this bag. It's so easy. So let me get this up and we'll start drying my hair. Sometimes I like going in with a bigger comb so that I can really get it up. I'm going to do it into different sections. Make it easier. sometimes it's a little slippery. Okay, so for today I am going to use the straightening wand attachment, and just, it unclicks like this. You put it in, it has these little hooks right here. I don't know if you can see that, and you just want to click it into place. So I'm going to blow this dry, and I'm going to put it on time lapse, so it's going to go quickly and you don't have to watch me do my hair for 20 minutes. That was fast, wasn't it? But in real time, it probably took me about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And it's not totally 100% dry because I want to go through with these. And what I didn't mention is there is a cool button right here. So I use that a bunch. And then you have the speed of the airflow right here, and then a hot button right here. So there's 3 different settings for both of those. And I don't always use it on the hottest, but it gets hot. So, and it gets very loud, and there's a lot of airflow. So I'm going to hit the little unlock right there, and just be careful. That's why there's a little holder up there, because it gets really, really hot. And I have a pad here. I'll show you what's here on my counter when we're done. And then what I'd like to do is put these wands on, these curling wands, and they have a right or left. So this would be the right for the right hand side. And then again, it has these little locking little dips in there, so that you just can lock it right in like that. Can you hear that? So then you can unlock it, pull this thing down, and then up like that. But yeah, these get really, really hot. So this is really important not to touch the wand when you're using them. So let's go in and do this now. Okay, this is it in slow motion, or in real life time. I'm not, you can see how it creates these curls. So these are the right side, and then I'm going to repeat it on the left, but this is how you can see. And I'm just going to let it cool, and then I'll run my hair through it, run my hands through it when I'm done. So I'll show you that when I'm done with the left side. And don't forget, this is really, really hot, so don't touch this, because I can feel how hot it is. Just take that off. And then I have a mat here, which I'll show you. I have a hot mat down here that you can use for ironing, curling irons, flat irons and all that. And I use it here on my counter so it won't hurt my counter. And I'll link that as well. So now I'm going to switch to the left side and pop this in, and then I'll be back when that's done. I just finished this side. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. So you can probably see better than me. So that's that. And I should probably look in the mirror. Let me see. Yeah, there's one section sort of in the middle, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm just gonna go over it like this. Let it out. And how cool is that? I was thinking I might add a little bit more of this on there for NA Frizz, just to give it a little, so maybe just a little bit more. And rub it through my hair lightly. So that's it. That's how I style my hair with the Shark Flexstyle. I like to use usually just this attachment to make it straight, but these are really fabulous because it gives it that really pretty soft wave. And I haven't used the other attachments because I'm kind of loving these. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. If you would like any more videos like this, or you have some thoughts or some products that you love that you would like to share with me, I'm always excited to learn more, especially with, frizz control, straight versus curly. Everyone's hair is so different that it's so much fun to try different products to see what's actually going to work for you. So far so good on the Lock of 10. I'll link this below as well as everything else. I'm also going to do a quick a video view of what's here so you can see how it looks, you know, on a flat lay. Here's everything on my counter. I use this heat guard pad so that these, when they're hot, are not gonna hurt the countertop. And then this is the Tangle Teaser. I have these hair clips, and then this is the oval brush, which I mismentioned the name of it, the curl defining one, and these are the auto wraps. So this is everything, but I really suggest having one of these mats for your curling iron, your flat iron, and these attachments because they get really, really hot. Now, every Shark Flex comes with something different. I just happened to get the black bag, and then, you know, these are the things that I got in mine. And that's everything that I used. I really love my Shark Flex Styler. I didn't know how much I was gonna love it. I do have a Dyson that I was using, and then when I saw the Shark Flexstyle available, I saw it actually at, I think I got it at Costco, so that's why I have the attachments that I have and the bag that I have, because it came in this box that, you know, that was what was complete. So I am missing the round brush. I would love to get the round one because this is the oval, but ever since I got it, I use it. That's the only thing I use. I stopped using my Dyson because this was just so much easier, and I like the way my hair turns out. And I'm all about keeping it simple and do what works. So I haven't traveled with it yet, but because it comes in this bag, I think it would be pretty easy. And yeah, I'm kind of happy with it. So if you want any more tips, tricks, or anything like that about what I'm using, let me know. Definitely leave a comment. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.